Sodium hydroxide pellets extra pure, commonly known as caustic soda, is a highly pure, white solid alkali supplied in convenient pellet form and valued for its strong alkaline properties, excellent solubility in water, and exceptional chemical reactivity. This high-purity grade is particularly suited to applications where consistent composition and minimal impurities are important, including laboratory analysis, chemical synthesis, pharmaceuticals, water treatment, and specialized manufacturing. In laboratories, sodium hydroxide is widely used for pH adjustment, acid-base titrations, sample preparation, and the preparation of alkaline solutions. In chemical manufacturing, it serves as a powerful reactant and pH regulator in the production of soaps, detergents, dyes, plastics, textiles, and numerous chemical intermediates. The water treatment sector relies on sodium hydroxide for pH correction, neutralization of acidic wastewater, and various treatment processes. In soap and detergent production, it plays a fundamental role in saponification, helping convert fats and oils into soaps. Its strong alkaline nature also makes it effective in cleaning and degreasing processes, particularly where the removal of oils, fats, and other organic residues is required. The pellet form offers convenient handling and accurate dosing compared with bulk solid forms, while its extra pure quality makes it suitable for demanding analytical and specialty applications. However, sodium hydroxide is highly corrosive and can cause serious chemical burns, so appropriate protective equipment, careful handling, and proper storage are essential. With its exceptional purity, versatility, and powerful chemical performance, sodium hydroxide pellets extra pure remains an important reagent and industrial chemical supporting precise laboratory work and efficient manufacturing processes across a wide range of industries.